My name is Sachdev. I'm a mechanical engineer at Space Park Leicester.
So my name is Anna. I am a placement year student at Space Park Leicester.
So what inspired me to go into space engineering was watching documentaries about space when I was younger, but wanting to do something more hands-on.
I think I am mostly inspired by the size of the universe. Also, I'm inspired by an astronaut from my neighborhood, Anatoly Solovyov, and he has a world record for the accumulated amount of time in space.
I studied a degree in aerospace engineering and then joined Space Park Leicester through an internship.
I'm involved in many engineering disciplines, starting from mechanical engineering to 3D printing and spacecraft attitude control engineering. I think my favorite part is CAD modeling, which is computer-aided design.
One of the main things that I work on is I do a lot of drawings. So I produce drawings for all the parts that we make and produce assembly drawings to help explain to people how to put things together. I guess I would say engineers are needed because they help develop new technologies. I would say it was a great time to get involved in aerospace engineering because I think we're at the start of the space age. So it's definitely something that's going to develop a lot in the future.
Engineering is such a diverse area. Research more about engineering and see how many disciplines engineering involves.